The reptilian brain. Now we go below the surface reality of the neocortex and into parts of our brains which are still a great mystery to the infant upstairs. These intelligence centers have enabled life to survive in varied forms for millions of years. They are not to be discounted even if they don't speak the language of the neocortex. Again, I will be general. The reptilian brain is the most ancient of the brains. It has two hemispheres, just like the neocortex, and it may be that they relate functionally to the left and right hemispheres of the neocortex. The reptilian brain consists of the upper part of the spinal cord and the basal ganglia, the diencephalon, and parts of the midbrain, all of which sits atop the spinal column like a knob in the middle of our heads. It is thought to represent the fundamental core of the nervous system and derives from a form of mammal-like reptile that once ranged widely over the world but disappeared during the Triassic period, having provided the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and mammals. All modern mammals have this reptilian complex, including humans. It was the interbreeding or fusing of reptilian DNA to mammal DNA which created the Illuminati reptilian-human hybrid bloodlines and allows the purest of this breed to move between human and reptilian form. First and foremost among the traits generated through the reptilian brain is the drive to establish and defend territory. This is fueled by an extremely potent will to power, exemplified among lizards by the ritual behavior of two rainbow lizards competing for dominance. These animals have beautiful colors and, like many lizards, use head bobbing and push-ups in assertive, aggressive, courtship and greeting displays. In a contest, once the gauntlet is thrown down, the aggressive displays give way to violent combat, and the struggle is unrelenting. In victory, they are tyrannical dictators in the extreme. In defeat, they lose their majestic colors, lapse into a kind of depression, and die 2 weeks later. This is classic Illuminati behavior, fighting each other and humanity to the death to impose their rule and dominance. Winner takes it all. At least 5 human behaviors originate in the reptilian brain. These have been denoted as isopraxic, preservative, reenactment, tropistic, and deceptive. Without defining them, I shall simply say that in human activities they find expression in obsessive-compulsive behavior, personal day-to-day rituals, in superstitious acts, slavish conformance to old ways of doing things, ceremonial reenactments, obeisance to precedent, as in legal, religious, cultural, and other matters, responding to partial representations, coloration, strangeness, etc., whether alive or inanimate, and all manner of deception. If I had to do a quick summary of Illuminati behavior, it would be something like the above. The traits of the reptilian brain. Look at The Biggest Secret, my talk videos, and this website. They expose all of the consequences of this behavior, obsessively, compulsively, advancing their agenda at all costs. The obsession with rituals, ceremony, and symbolism, and, yes, all manner of deception. All movies and television likely are a projection of the reptilian brain. How so? Movies and television, video games, etc. are all undeniably dreamlike, not only in their presentation of symbolic reality, but also in that humans experiencing movies, etc. have the same brainwave patterns as when they are dreaming. And guess what dreaming originates in your head? In the reptilian brain, although other parts of our brains are involved. The movie and television industry is not only controlled by the reptilian bloodlines, it was created by them in the first place. The Illuminati are controlled by the traits of their reptilian brain, and they seek to manipulate humanity through the manipulation and stimulation of the reptilian part of our brain. The language of the reptilian brain is visual imagery. All communications transferred by reptiles are done so by visual symbolic representations, each having specific meaning. Reptiles do not dream, but animals which have evolved from the reptiles, mammals and birds, do dream. Why? Because the reptilian mind is still operating in them, and we humans call that mental state dreaming. There is no dream state in reptiles because this mentality is their waking state.